Start the calibration by mounting an average steel rim with a tire on the machine. The rim should have no weights on it. If the machine is not in the steel program, press ALU until all lights are off. Turn the arm so that the round side shows up. Measure the distance to the rim. Then insert into the machine using the A button. Measure the rim width. Then insert into the machine using the B button. Then you need the rim diameter. This can be found on the tire. Then insert into the machine using the D button. Calibration will be selected by pressing F and C at the same time. First, the machine will measure the standard unbalance. Now install the test weight on the outside of the rim. The machine will now measure the difference to the rim without a weight. With this, the calibration is completed.